Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My people, now me una sister, una guest Sandra Ben TV. I just still come again, can't give you the Ogboge news. You know, say I tell una say the latest news now. Yeah, now go for this year. So, my sister, Esther Idokpa, our beautiful sister, Nollywood, Benin actress. So she don't come to message Monica Lobo aka Yeki. So before I continue, if you have been watching me before you have not subscribed, please hit that red button and the notification bell in case anytime when I come online you'll be the first to watch or alert. Thank you very much. So she don't come to warn Monica and her husband and the people when talk about her before. So she still dey feel pain about what Monica do her. No problem. So my people, thank you very much for the video you are about to watch. Monica, I don't want to fear her when. So Esther Idokpa Yi never still forgive. She never still forget what you do her. So listening to her message to you and your husband and the people. So thank you very much, guys. So if you have been watching me, you subscribe before. If you have been my subscriber, may God bless you guys. I love you.
Anywhere I catch you, or go no ya go. I go shuku you. I go shuku you. Ask people, me, Esther, people where they are, they know. I know the shame of pants and bra. Or can make a pants and bra. I am in the streets. Or ma can make a pants and bra. Anything, okay, make it. I wear lads. Now me, ask people, they will tell you. I'm a no nonsense person. And my head not theirs. So see all of now. As now they use now, I take shop shit for Facebook. If I catch you, you are a dead human being. Igboa, unless mamuwe. Or mamuwe face to face. I know they forgive you. And they look with so. I know they forgive. Wow, maybe not damn if we are forgiving way. Or 100 ya muwe. Unless you win. Yeah, now you're free. Walk have a woman where I'm a baby. So mind your business. Let everybody stay in their lane. Stay your lane. Esther, stay for your lane. If you don't stay for your lane, say you want to look for my trouble. If I bet you, your heal. So respect yourself. Stay in your lane. Don't be jealous. Mind your business. Any business where anybody start, not concern you. Not concern you. If I like, I go start farming. If I get money tomorrow, I say I want to do farming. I'll go do. But they look and say farming now suffer head business, not be in. If you do farming, you really wait to start to they get the money. You go not say farming a very good business. Farming a very good business. So anybody can start any business. Hey, you get plenty where anya ga yi winere. The plenty where get anya ga yi winere. Man do we, more ye magbon we. Now do me where go do gbera we wa do pass where. We gonna do akpe you do akpe no dia ke we e wan see you egbe and wan pa man see you egbe. E gonna ya more ye magbon. In winere ya mu. So mind your business. The day although Facebook now we on feed the mad anyhow sha. No say if you use fake account say talk to person anyhow, you don't know yourself. Tomorrow you go give the person call je lamogun. Who wo all of you So one day, Moki go market. You know come back again. And you know come back again. So who they create with fake accounts, say they insult people. Wait, be say fear don't let you talk to if you see them. More than they do one. Then one day, I'll go meet you. And for those of you that have entered my lane, I want to give you, I want to sound warning. I want to remind you people, as now don't enter my lane, can't say una want deal with me. They use this night, they remind una say, una matter. Una not say matter be like bomo. If you come out for you, if you put on for sun, it go dry. You go keep on. But the day when you go put on for water, it go rise again. I want to tell you that this thing say anytime, any day, I wake up and my mind go reason what you not do me that day. You know you're the good at all. That day, my head go they skip. Throughout that day, my head they skip. And anybody will come around me that day, they always they get the hot side of me. So use that imagine and say the day when me and you go see how it go be. Use that look on. Say person we don't know one, not two. You know the way the thing happen. The day when I go think back for what you not do, that day I know they get joy. Eh? That day I know they get joy. Everybody where you're there around me that day, they all know say, hey, everybody move. Oh. Mama not get joy today. Everybody go they shocking. Even go reach my small baby. All of them they shocking. He go understand, say, ah, mama not there in good mood now. You use not reason now, say you will do the thing. The day where they will cash you. I go be for you. Use that reason now. I use this one. I leave this one for you. Make you take sleep. Use that sleep. And why you walking away? Now good night. Now good night. See you guys. No more fighting. Omori Ivie, Isabella, Mona rest. Mona rest for the matter. Isabella, now because of you. Now person I go to insult because of you. Eh? I don't know what you see for my face where they say me say I should take care of me. Now you want to take care of me. Now you be my mama. Eh? Allah was which one be end brutality not reach where you there? Are you mad? Or won't be where? Which one be end brutality not reach where you there? End for waiting. End for wahala. Which wahala they put for your head? Eh? Allah was which wahala they put for your mama head? Where they say may you rest for wahala. Which wahala you dey? A wahala boy, I be wahala be where? Mona rest for the matter. Isabella and Ivie Omori, Mona rest. Mona rest. Because you know say sometimes you if you dey my shoe, you go understand wetin dey. And because you know dey my shoe, now make you know they understand. If I catch Monica, Monica no gun agbe kin ka owa e Monica tuari. Ogun agbe ogba agba na san san me na go meme ni. No e na go o ma no kun me pa shoko ni. Owa e ni. Yeah, although sha he asking ya we too like because since morning since morning if I dey reason Monica. If I dey reason Monica since morning, I don't know as my body be. I don't know as my body be if I dey reason Monica. Monica. Ya ga reason e matter ge. E then ya yore si na reason e matter Monica. Ya gie. Ya gie. That your husband will be like I don't know what he resemble. Whether na spiritual, whether na drawing, whether they draw, I don't know what he resemble. Your wife called a molest person where they on your own. He can't feel say he there for your parlor. He there for your parlor. You can't clap for her. You they clap for her. Me, Esther. Monica, he deal with me. As in, he enter my territory. He enter my territory. Monica, he can't say na me, Esther. Say they send down. He can't destroy. He say he want to destroy my career. He say he want to destroy my life. He say he want to destroy me. Monica never tell me why she even decided to take that step for her life. Why she decided to take that step for her life, she never talk her. Wetin go around that step when she take for her life, where she say she's strong. He say she's strong. Say she want to destroy me, my life. Then her husband come sit down for his house, come they clap for her. If I reason your matter, you and your husband, if I reason now, if I reason your matter, I don't know what it day. No, no. You will run for 600 years, Monica. Monica, you go run for this. You go no. You go tire. You're tired. You and your husband are waiting on a cause for the pains and the problem you cause. Why they chain you? They go chain you. You don't say criminal. They go give her 2 life imprisonment, 3 life imprisonment. They will give her. If he die, they will see chain her for. He go dey inside prison. They will see chain her. They will see chain her because Omo Bape okay. Omo Bape. Evil woman. Una ame mind. Who can destroy your saloboa? Una ame mind. You are evil, and your witchcraft is going to cause up with you. You will suffer. Your household will suffer. Your husband will suffer for what you did. You will suffer for what you did. Because of Fema woman, I will look. Usena mugyoma, mae. Usenu muri. Monica, you will run for all your life. You use until they run. You use until they run. They run no. You and your husband. Mona they run no. Because today, they no be na. They no be there na. Sabane they no mag be. But they no. Boy, what that for? Boy, I let here. Boy, I let here. Because what you do me, Esther. What you do me? Anyway, women, Esther. Anyway, women, Esther. Eh? Now, good night. That's for we can't even have a live video. We went in a picture. You watch show, you get it okay. Or that from by watch show, now. E que da fun mi ari ere ya bion ai mo to ta iri abe fear I'll cut the prick for that eye when you say look another fellow man like her. You send another fellow man picture, give your husband, you know tell you say you dey crazy the man, you use 6 days to bring down your fellow human being. Another man like her. That is why your husband will not die well. That man is going to die a miserable death. Yes. He will die miserably. You say, what are you doing? You don't say as it be now. You don't be mad. You don't be mad now. Come mad. You guys are, you have lost it and you will lose it for life. Forever, ever touching the wrong person. You will lose it all your life. Because you cannot please my spirit. You can't please my spirit. Awa. Unless you tell me what I did to you. You can't please my spirit. I'm not the forgive person. Your husband and you. For the havoc. Because when you was sena, he has a live video to Arab your man. Or the prophet man in Lagwa. Or it's a man in Lagwa with Lagwa. That means more than you wa. And I did on me ba. Di do be ani magele support. I did your own ba. So your husband have stood by you to destroy those people. All this why? You will run for life. Wa lelele biwa ho. Wa lelele biwa ho. Enabata. No problem. Tell her, send this message to her. Send this message to her that he that fights her run away, live to fight another day. 100 years is not forever. You cannot eat your cake and have it. The day I wake up and think about what she did to me, you can't please my spirit. Now, good night.